Yam watching more about Badwam TV Badwam so. The edu so no eye kase ensam na doso. Ne etoja omu bi ya obeti ni emrasha beja 4 years enka wo mo beko Rock City. Na wo makwadi won hia mu bi. Ye ne o ma se atwa omu ho asesa wo adwene. Bi se bo na no den ye de ho nsam no ebebro. Ofanko nsawam kwantempo no so adehia ye wo ho ne ahyenkafo nyina aka wo ho abomu. Rasha beja ni aban omumra meye ho dwuma mfama won no nsem bi na no pay mede bro Adom TV Badwam kase wo hwa me live on Facebook/Adom TV extra na Go TV 119 DSTV 280 wo YouTube Adom TV 2 midin de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni DMT se den nsem ni chiremu etie ankasa mrasha bedwafo asesa won madwen wo post budget workshop ananka won pese won koye wo Rock City Hotel Nina se Ghana for the one watum na mrasha bejafo no a na ye ho kire yen dodo enti se ho pa no bo ne wosoro na ho nso na mukoye mu nhia mu no de emaso de course wo mrasha bejafiem eni.
These discussions on the floor that day ignited a public debate of the matter, and in the social media internationally Parliament was taken to the cleaners and members were considered as being insensitive and greedy, and that our parliament was not responsive to the interests of Ghanaians. But there was no such decision. The thing was still under discussion.
Wade ni nsem etu dwawie ne dom ketwa ne dom kese no agitum se ne sade a mrahye bedwam ho a ana workshop no wo mo ebeye no.
In view of the fact that, Mr. Speaker, you are saying that it's generated a lot of heat. My advice, and I guess I will have the buy-in of the minority leader, is to entreat members that we hold the post-budget workshop here.
Considering the state of our economy, Mr. Speaker, it is only right that as members of Parliament, we attempt to save the public's purse. Mr. Speaker, I support the call from the honourable member from Badwam, the Honourable Kofi Adams, that the post-budget workshop should be held here.
Ofankon sawom contemporary obi a wo foso obi anim se won mo ye kwan na chere ye na de hia wo mote ho ne akwantufo efa ho adrobafo nyina do wano atomu bi mpanifo nkeka won ho na ewura pabre mi ukra de onim future enyeja won kra ebi ni Adom TV edin komoe
road no now you have 16 regions about 10 regions of Ghana probably use that road na deba enti yade a hard ne kakra bia obi be coast speed free Kumasi we do sawamu a we spend the 3 hours do sawamu yes we wura enkran and the best ko na djuma no we be 1 hour and now sometimes more than 1 hour on that small stretch of the road enti media here can say and say yes work is ongoing me who obi answer but yensie kwani ye kakra say yenya fa ho no yensie omoto kakra
wamanaso wa osaka de kan ho say efebra o sha sese bo sisi kwantempo no so no de bia no contractors no e de omfidi kugu wono ma wo mo eyeso adwuma na so hwe no mo say enti bia no kwantempo no so asisi o de ebeba wiye.
And then to the best of my knowledge, Minister Bosia Baje, and I approve, and what Omodi adjument is all right. Among majority of roads, this road, particular road, every day there is a contractor, there is work ongoing on it. Some at the Sawam end, a bit of Anko end, and some within Amasamai constituency.
Sabeye na wona esisi adan yesisi ne mia bia ensem fata na adan sie so ebeye papa nenko bu enwo ene ho nsamunti Institution of Engineering and Technology for edit to abine nim se one more na works department and one ma kade ne ma hodo bi a won hia Sabeye won so betimi de aye wo adwuma President de ma Engineering Institute of Engineering and Technology Ora Henry Kwajobuaten wose niema bebre to sini wo mu ni akade nutina wo be wi akire ne na dan ni sia na ho niema bi aye bibi ho ne Adom kase edin komoyi.
This current government mebona baso omoba power assemblies no omo ye recruitments bebree. Our recruitments no. So we call assemblies are baby and engineers any biano on the engineers alcohol. I can see say number no cry no near never honey number between is more than doubled. I able as I abino abaso. Now all recruit two engineers ne other bold environment professionals na unye. All recruit no as all more macadia the bay juma. Tis a for now I'm more macadia the bay juma. Then how do you expect results? See, I know na IET, yes, we are no too. Most of the assemblies no in say buying a recruit enough human resource at the works department. Our works department they comprising architects, quantity survey.
Enra oswafo ya wono ehwe national security so ra kanda pa kokopie mu brashebedwa fie mu efa garu military for to etuburu nipa bienom ne ade na enu mu no brashebedwafo na nyeja no kra fi se national security report no eba ye no omo adwene ho a womo ntiase mu enna hom shada ma womo nti womo hia se ye ye nhwehwemu pa de course o sansem no eni.
Mr. Speaker, this aspect of the matter is currently before the court. It will therefore be inappropriate for me to comment on the matter as it would amount to contempt of court. That said, however, I would like to urge honorable members of the House to please exercise circumspection in discussing the matter for some three reasons. First, Mr. Speaker, because of the dire security situation we are confronted with in Boko as a result of the existing ethnic conflict in that area. Second, because of counter-terrorism operations going on in the area. And third, Mr. Speaker, because of the need to not to demotivate and demoralize our state security personnel.
No den nsem etudwa ewieye no mrashebejeni owo garu edi tudwa se osofo ensem odi tudwa nina no nokra bi enim.
The way the military behaved in Garu, several people have broken arms and broken legs. Somebody has, the one who died, according to the autopsy report, he had a broken skull and two broken ribs. Honorable Minister, if this is how military retrieve arms, and we want to know, like you said, it's in the court, and we are all eager to hear. We want to find out how many arms that were retrieved from Garu and Bugri, if there is any at all.
Piempeni ya wo mrashebedwa fie mora aban baben se Ghana bebia yedro no ye hia nkyeremu kan ya eda ho efa enipa wonmo akone abadie mu wo won sorry mu ane afei se wotumi ekasa ebre suro ne hu bia na wonmo eso no ebre dru se yetumi edu ho na etumi aboa so man Adom kase etwaso.
A clear regulatory framework that protects individual religious rights and freedoms and defines the responsibilities of publicly financed institutions, particularly in the context of elementary and secondary education. There not too long ago tension between religious groups and school regulations is a testament to the urgency of this matter.
Mrashebejeni owo ahafo ano north enso ne Adom news nsentwofo etwetwe nkomo no wo kire mu dwumedi akokoso no ebedi na omode nkyerɛkyerɛ amatimamufuo efa enhyiemu a wo mokoye
nti kokoso na ya form no members o meba mu no ye de o mefa ntetie mu amomahu ade ne na ye obi fa ahodie eba the way a opese wo kire ana odenadi eye ne som adi na kwa benso ne be fa ebetimi akasa nkofo ne ebe ma obi etimi akanasem na obi anso ama no yonko kwan se wodie ni we na wo pe mema ho kwan even though ebi a men practice ne awo practice ne ba me ma ho kwan say wotimi ye ne ya ma ye ho kwan say ne abrofo kan no tolerance no ya ma obi akwan ama na ye ne opese wo ye ba said ye be ya be mu se ye te ho asinti no minim se me ye we ya be si we ho sinti dua ana be ha nipa we ntimi ntu sa na mo no because ye te ho ase dia anamo bebra ye tu a sometimes e de tension ene ebufuo ba ye system no mu no ye be ye free ho.
Eni nyina da kwan se STEM Innovation eya 2023 final no enso ehhehhe so wo University of Ghana na wo shema project lead eda STEM Innovation no na afresi kamensa ena de nsemi tudwa ye hwe ni mu suku ahodo 25 ena won mu esi akan na ko mo ye 200 ena ajaje for no aso no so abedu 25 adom kase edeba
ochina the 14th and the 15th Wednesday, Tuesday and Wednesday, grand finale for STEM Innovation 2023. You started with 249 schools, 228 projects. The judges no call road show. The road show no. It's your more qualify and eba compete for the national competition. Ebe happen at University of Ghana, CD Conference Center, Legon. Ebe Obi biara or share Adom TV say ochina ye be big expo exhibition ye be showcasing crab project or mo develop e dey solve national issues so obi amra roma mehwe project na nkra na ye dem aye no e na afi so ye be share industry players say mo mbra mo nyina mo mbra na mo mehwe project na nkra na ye dem e develop na wo hwe ne wo hwe be suit wo industry no. We are open now about the adaptive project no. It's China any Wednesday it's going to be great. It's going to be the projects are mind blowing. Messi will be Somra University of Ghana CD Conference Center Onjebre Nomra Meshe STEM Innovation 2023. As it stands now, there were 25 schools.
So now me Adom TV Badwam kase na no pay NC ha. They do so no the one krata no na fi online stories na di mu a enyi free ha.